What's good, YouTube? I hope you're all doing fantastic. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do hit subscribe, as we're going to stick around through the bear markets and help you surf through those volatile waves of crypto. So today we're going to check out Flow, which is part of the blockchain infrastructure sector. So we can see here are all our lovely layer 1 infrastructures mostly, and basically everything is red at the moment. Layer 1 infrastructure is usually my favorite projects to get into. Think of things like Polygon, Harmony One, Phantom, all these projects that literally went crazy from day one, including Cardano. I mean, that was trading at a few cents back in the day. So this is Flow right here, layer 1 project, open worlds. Flow is a new blockchain built for the next generation of apps, games, and the digital assets that power them. So basically, DApp developers paradise right here, guys. If you are a developer and you want to make cryptos or get into it, here it is. And I'm not going to go into the nitty gritty details, but as you can see, Flow is a fast, decentralized, and developer-friendly blockchain designed as the foundation for the new generation of games, etc., etc., etc. Another thing that makes me bullish is you can also be a node validator, which is really, really cool. You can submit applications there, just like being an Ethereum validator. So this is quite important as well. It's a growing network, and this makes me feel extremely bullish for the future of Flow. So what is Flow again? Discover Flow blockchain. They've got 33.3k followers, so they're fairly small at the moment, but you want to get into these projects and find them early on whilst the bag isn't too big, there's not too many unique addresses, and the market cap is still relatively low. So another great thing I just saw actually on the Flowverse Discover Flow blockchain Twitter, a virtual influencer with over 3 million IG followers just announced her NFT project on Flow blockchain. So this is going to immediately draw a lot of people into the project already, get some new eyes on the project, as you see right here. Makes people feel very bullish and confident about the investment and the future of Flow network. Currently Flow is rank 31, and to be honest, that surprises me because I didn't even see this coin climb up the ladder. It just like sneaked its way up there. Pretty crazy. So rank 31 at the moment. We've got a 2.6 billion market cap, and we've got about 75% of the circulating supply that has been released so far. So that also makes me feel fairly confident, because we're not going to get a huge amount of supply or superfluously injected into the network itself. When we look at the price back in time, if we hit the all button, we can see we had nice all-time highs of around $38. We're already down to $2.50, so there's been a huge correction over time, and we are sitting on the daily time frame at the moment for this project. So I want to use like another example, a different project as an example as to why you shouldn't really be afraid of big corrections like this in the altcoin market. We're quickly going to just show you that example now, and I think we'll use this one. So Oh My God token, for example, this is exactly what we are seeing right now. You see the correction was 97%, but then in the future we saw a huge 3,000% increase. Now, I'm not saying we're going to get a 3,000% increase at all for Flow. It makes you think, going back to the Flow chart, if we do have a wild trading sideways in these bearish territories, we will be due that pump at some point in the future. I'm not saying 3,000%. Well, perhaps we could say 3,000%. It could be realistic to see a 3,000% increase after we have the supply phase. But that's why you shouldn't worry about these 97% corrections, guys. With altcoins, altcoins are fun. Altcoins are crazy. They are high risk, high reward assets. Just know that this can effectively happen. And personally, I believe it will. So if I had to like map out exactly what I think is going to happen for this project, is that we maybe just get another bounce up to around $5. If we see further capitulation, we really get into the middle of crypto winter, coming down to these lower prices. It could take a long time, guys. Really good. And then we start getting the pop off all the way up to there. So that's typically how it would look, in my opinion. That's how I think it should look. I don't really want to be seeing basically this, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, and then just dead forever. I want to see the supply phase. I want to see the price markup. I want to see accumulation. I want to see it for a long time. So what's happening at the moment for Flow on the 30-minute time frame? Basically, we are putting through a bit of a lower low at the moment. As you see, it doesn't look tremendously bullish. We have got a bit of a downtrend going on at the moment. So you can see here, lower low, also a lower high at the same time, and one would assume that we might get a bounce off this particular level, come up to about 266. Maybe we could even come lower again to about 240 afterwards. So it's very volatile markets at the moment. If we look at the RSI on this particular time frame as well, we can see that we're back sub 30. The last time we were sub 30 was actually just a few days ago, and we got a bounce to the upside of around about 8%. So we might get another sort of 8-9% bounce to the upside off of this support level. So you could potentially trade this and have a stop loss set just underneath at around $2.44. At least that's where I would be having my stop loss anyway. And just to show you how this could be on a long position, you could enter the trade on the support about 247, have the stop loss there, and have the take profit zone around there. So the trade will look something like this, with an 8.28% pump, with a pretty good risk reward ratio of 6.83. So always try not to risk too much of your stop losses. As close to break even as possible is usually good, but this is what I'm seeing, this nice falling wedge pattern. So short-term price targets, we're looking at about $2.70. We could lose the support over here, and we have a major amount of support written in over here from the 12th of May at around that $2.20 level. Now the long-term targets, of course, just looking at what we were saying, looking at oh my god as a contrast, we'd be looking at some pragmatic targets of around $55, $61 and $69 in the next bull cycles from this market cycle bottom. So we're assuming about 2,400%, and I believe that can happen. These is sort of the coins that I'll be adding to my bag. I'm going to even make a note of this one because of this. Just seeing this chart makes me so unbelievably bullish. The fact that we have come from $43, you got to remember this coin came out basically after all the market euphoria, so we didn't actually get a chance for that bear market accumulation phase like of 2018, 2019. That's also important to consider. That's what we're going to get this time around, meaning next time around when the bear market turns into a bull market, it's going to be completely parabolic. So if you want to grab some of this coin today, open an exchange, use my link down in the description below, buy some flow today, and add this to your portfolio. The mission is to sell in 5 years, not tomorrow, not next week, not next month. We are looking to navigate the bear markets and accumulate as much as possible without those crypto robbers shaking you out your cryptocurrency during the crypto wallets because because they want to take your crypto and put it in their pockets. That's exactly what the mass media wants. That's what the billionaires want. That's what CNBC wants. That is what basically every Bitcoin maximalist wants, is to shake you out and basically shake the narrative, change your logic, and make you sell your cryptocurrency. So whilst everyone else is selling, I'll be on the route of buying and holding for a long time. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you do leave the channel a subscribe, a thumbs up, a comment. Check out the Discord channel. You could join that. I've got about 250 people in there at the moment, all very like-minded people. Also look at the 2 Telegram channels, Learn to Trade and Business to Community, to learn all the charting patterns that you need to navigate the markets and also to gain the most useful cryptocurrency information and insights. Thanks for watching and see you soon guys. Bye now.